Myself Sudhir Mittal. I am a alumni of IIT. I am IIT Roorkee and I am Ahmedabad. And I'm in the industry right from 1985. It's more than 33 years in the industry. Actually, the XMPI initially we were focused to education domain. And it was in the beginning of 2019. So, we started this education domain for content development for the schoolings right from 6th to 12th standard, including deaf and dumb blinds. So, we had a showcase and pilot run in Bihar, government of Bihar, for more than 6 months, and now we are expecting LOI. And then gradually, apart from this content, developing our own site and putting that contents from 6th to 12th standard for students, normal students, deaf and dumb and blinds. So then we started next model in the education sector for mock test and online examination, plus audio video or virtual classes through internet platform. That is what we called is KISTAP. So this is education domain. Of course, now we are moving as a roadmap of XL5. We are moving from education to corporate and healthcare. So this is part of our roadmap. You will be surprised to know this. XMPI has come very unique solution for deaf and dumb and blinds. First time. Okay. So the technology we provide is we provide this access of the contents to normal as well as deaf and blind through internet and hosting of the contents onto their server wherever they want, including their schools or the coaching center or in the institutions, plus on the mobile itself also. KISTAB is one of the brand of ActionPi, and the focus of KISTAB is to address virtual classes, webinars, interactive conferences, and this online exams and mock tests. And this platform is also hosted on the Amazon cloud through a secure tunnel. Okay, that can be accessed through that is compatible to all mobiles and it is extensively used. So this is a journey of last 1.5 years. In fact, when we started this journey, we were not even aware that the COVID-19 will be there, and we are going to experience a big lockdown in the country. I think you might have seen because of this COVID-19, not even the education, the entire society is forced to rethink their business model, their working model. So in this KISTAB, which is especially for online and interactive classes, we had developed a solution where the teachers and student can have a physical classroom scenario. So we had all the possibilities. We use through whiteboard education system. We can use pen and pencil education system. Way of teaching plus smart pad system. And if they want, we can. The platform support the presentations also. Okay, and this is one. Secondly, in the model, it is possible to invite any students on the board and give a presentation. Okay, in addition to that, it supports the recording also. So any student can be made presenter, or and it supports the complete attendance system like a normal class scenario. Smart lectures can be put on their website for future reference. In case some institute don't have website, we can create the website for them and put those recording on the cloud that can be referred for future. So this is the additional facility which probably others don't provide, because some people use Zoom for virtual class, but Zoom, they don't provide any services, and they cannot, they don't have any video delivery system. If you want, you just record it. We provide video delivery system and editing of the videos if it is possible. And this is all solution developed by us. Only the 4 professionals we started this journey. in Kister, we implemented four level of security, right from the secured Amazon cloud where the solution is hosted, and each domain is IP secured. And third, we since it is a browser based solution, so we don't capture the individual information, which generally other solutions are capturing, and they are doing commercialization of this. So this is a compliance of the international GDPR regulation. And fourth is the each meeting, each conference, each class is password protected. So it is four level of security has been implemented in the solution. During this journey, what I understand is the cost and robustness is the demand from everywhere. Because of COVID-19 or because of any other reason, because of the global competition, the solutions, I mean, anybody provide should be cost effective with all possible, I mean, robustness. And third is the secured. So cost, robustness, and security. And fourth is the scalability of the solution. So that the solution should be scalable. Like we start this solution from education, then corporate, and now we are moving forward for healthcare. We are basically have a roadmap for telemonitoring, telemedicine, teleconsulting across the world, and accordingly we are embedding the facility in the system. I think in the current scenario, the education has become more affordable because of the technology. In a traditional way, student has to buy the books, he has to attend the class, he has to travel, and there are other overheads in the schools. But this virtual class, online interactive class, make the education more affordable. In Kister, you need not to buy the books. The contents, the solution we provide for 6 to 12 students, that is for high school and intermediate students. All the contents are web enabled. So, and all the lectures are available from the teacher. So in that case, they need not to invest anything, just internet connectivity. And if they even if they don't have the internet, they can go to the school campus and they can browse the special contents or the lectures in the hosted model in the school. So all permutation, all facilities are available. They need not to even travel. They can optimize the time. And of course, everybody is leveraging the Google facility also. This is also very, I will say, a robust tool for education and the latest, you know, development in that domain, in that subject. But there is a challenges attached with this also. It also affects some health. So it need a very smart balance between health health and the while you are studying. So you need a break. I mean, there are a lot of suggestions from health experts when you are doing online classes. You must do yoga. You must do some exercise after some. Take regular break after 2 hours. So that is also significantly should follow. Otherwise, very affordable. As I mentioned, Kistan first it ensure four level of security. Second, we are committed not to commercialize the participant data. Number three, it is cheaper than any other solution. Number four, it is Indian product. This is first Indian product, and we enable services. Number five, we integrate this conferencing and classes with video delivery system. Whatever has been recorded, we display those contents either on the individual website or the college website or the institution website. Okay, and number seven, it provide all the control. I mean, like a physical classroom, all the facility like a physical classroom, and very cheapest price.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.